Hi everyone, welcome to English 101 Online. My name's Laura Boville. I'm an assistant professor of English at SWIC on the Granite City campus, and I am so excited to be working with you this semester. I just want to make a quick, short and sweet video giving you kind of the rundown of our Blackboard course and introducing myself. So, hi, hello, welcome. Like I said, my name's Laura. I have been teaching at Granite City for the last 2 years. Before that, I taught English in Japan and also at SIE as a graduate student. So my background is in communication as an undergrad and English as a second language as a graduate student. But my experience teaching at SWIC is mostly in English 101, 102, and then I also teach literature, reading, and developmental writing. So I kind of run the gamut. I'm originally from Missouri. I live in Tower Grove South with my fiance and our 50-pound pit bull named Suede, who is the true love of my life. The other things I like to do besides, working here and grading, I do a lot of baking in my free time, spend a lot of time with my family in Missouri, and I also like to do yoga, Pilates, running sometimes if I can get myself to do it. But that's pretty much a little bit about me. So hopefully over the course of this semester, I'll get to know you a little bit more and help to kind of improve your reading and writing. So English 101 focuses primarily on writing, a little bit of reading focus, but really on the idea that words have power and that they can be used to achieve a common goal. So that's what rhetoric and composition is really all about. So I'm going to give you a little overview of our course. So if you log on to Blackboard, you should see the banner to our course on the homepage. Below that, you'll find announcements, which will include any kind of important information, reminders. If I push back the due dates, those will all be here in the announcements. To the left-hand side, you'll see a menu that will give you a link to our syllabus, which I ask all of you to download and read before class starts this weekend or sometime this week. It's got all of the information you need for the course. If you ever need my office hours, a link is here to contact me directly. This will take you to Microsoft Teams. So if you have not downloaded Teams for another class yet, I would recommend doing so. It'll give you some options to download it on your desktop or your phone or to open the app. So I would recommend doing that. Below the course info section, you'll see all of our assignments. So there are 3 different types of assignments we'll do in 101. We'll have essays, reflections, and blog posts. So the essays are our major assignments, and you'll find after the first 3 weeks, you'll see another folder pop up for essay 2. We're going to focus on essay 1 first. So if you go into the essay folder, you'll notice I have weekly folders with information of the assignments week to week. That's sort of how I break down the course. So essays are due roughly every 3 weeks. We'll do a new essay, and then reflections and blog posts are due every other week. So week 1 we'll have a reflection, week 2 we'll do another reflection, and then week 3 will be our first blog post. So the week that you don't have a reflection, you have to do a blog post and vice versa. MLA format is what we're using in 101. If you're not familiar with what that is, we'll talk about it when we start drafting essay 1, but if you're curious, this information is here. If you ever need to check your grades, email me, talk to someone in tutoring, or get tech assistance, those are all linked here as well. So I hope that the course is easy for you to follow and that it's informational. I do keep any of our course materials available via Blackboard. I only accept assignment submissions via Blackboard, so make sure that you click around and get comfortable because we will be using it the entire semester. So hopefully this was short and sweet and gave you a good idea of how our course is going to look. I will be posting another video at the beginning of week 1 with a sort of discussion of our assignments and what to expect during week 1. So hopefully I talk to all of you soon online, and I look forward to working with you.